If you want to pamper yourself, nothing beats soaking in a tub or falling asleep surrounded by the sweet scent of lemongrass oil. What is lemongrass oil? It's easy to get confused between lemongrass fragrance oils and lemongrass essential oils. Lemongrass fragrance oils simply have the fragrance of lemongrass with little to no nutritional value or health benefits. The essential oils, on the other hand, has all the essential properties of lemongrass, like their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties. How to make lemongrass oil at home. To make lemongrass oil at home, you'll need 3 or 4 stalks of lemongrass, a carrier oil. You can use sweet almond oil, olive oil, virgin coconut oil, grapeseed oil, or almond oil, a clean and dry cheesecloth, a mortar and pestle or rolling pin, a bowl with lid or glass jars, 1 dark glass bottle with a tight lid. Here are the instructions for this recipe. 1. Take the stalks of lemongrass or the leaves. Cut them into half or at a length of 5 to 6 inches if they are too long. Crush the leaves using a rolling pin. You can cut them smaller and use a mortar and pestle instead of a rolling pin as well. 2. Fill the glass jar with the base or carrier oil. Add the crushed stalks or lemongrass leaves into this glass jar. Make sure you seal or cover it with the lid. 3. Place this jar in a cool, dry place exposed to maximum sunlight. 4. Wait for around 2 days. After this, take the cheesecloth and use it to strain the oil that was kept in the jar. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 5. Repeat this process with some more crushed lemongrass stalks. You can keep this for 2 days in the same place, exposed to sunlight. 6. Repeat this a 3rd time or check if you are satisfied with the potency of the oil. The more lemony the oil smells, the more potent it is. 7. As a final step, strain the oil again with the help of the cheesecloth. 8. Transfer the oil into the darker glass jar. This time, keep the jar in a dark, cool, dry place away from sunlight. See how easy that is? So now that you have your homemade lemongrass oil, how do you use it? You can use lemongrass oil in various ways. It can be taken orally, applied directly to your skin, or inhaled as aromatherapy for many different conditions. Lemongrass oil can be used in treating spasms or abnormal gut movement, relieving headaches and stomach aches, treating hypertension, preventing convulsions, relieving general body pain, neuralgia, and pain due to rheumatism, vomiting, fighting cold and cough, treating malaria fever, and relieving exhaustion. You can also use lemongrass oil for skin and hair due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Another use of lemongrass oil is for aromatherapy and massage. Aromatherapy is a type of holistic therapeutic process. It includes the use of natural herbs and fragrances to enhance mental and physical health and well-being. As a therapeutic product, lemongrass oil is favored because of its calming fragrance and subtle hints of citrus. One of the effects of lemongrass is its ability to relieve pain and stress, making it of great value in aromatherapy. Lemongrass oil massage can also help reduce muscle soreness because of its anti-inflammatory properties. You can massage stiff joints or sore muscles with a few drops of lemongrass oil and get relief. What are your favorite uses for lemongrass oil? Tell us in the comments below. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.